Namaste Rasa. I am Dr. Ambika Kameshwar, the director of Rasa, Ramana Smriti Alaya. I want to take you through the project which we are getting support from United Way for. And I am wanting to express here in the beginning that I am very grateful. All of us at Rasa are very grateful for the support because we can take the children to a higher level of functioning, and since the support is for our livelihood division, which will give them economic independence at a later date, and it is for employability in a sheltered or independent environment, the support from United Way is even more precious for us. And right now in Tiruvallur, in our center, we are having in Srishti class, we have Geeta, we have Lakshmi, we have Archana, we have Bharat, we have Arun, and we have a hope to employ, or rather get in more children. Our project looks at 20 children by the end of a couple of months in this place, and we want material and an infrastructure or a better equipped space to make this happen. And we will have 20 young adults with different kinds of challenges integrated into employability, integrated into contributing to society in a very structured, holistic way at the end of this project, and we hope to go from strength to strength with your support. I would like Geeta to tell you what she does at this unit. Geeta, நீ என்ன பண்ற இங்க இந்த சிருஷ்டில என்னெல்லாம் பண்ற சொல்லு. பெயிண்டிங் பண்ற, ஸ்டிச்சிங் பண்ற, பீட் ஒர்க் இதோ பண்ணிட்டு ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. இது என்ன நாங்க மாலையா போட்டுக்கலாம் இல்லையா? மாலையா போடலாம். ரொம்ப அழகா பண்ற கீதா. அர்ச்சனா நீ என்னடா பண்ற? ஸ்டிச்சிங், எம்ப்ராய்டரி பண்றியா? எம்ப்ராய்டரி பண்ற. நீ வந்து நீ தானே பண்றியா இல்ல யாரானா சொல்லி கொடுத்து தான் பண்றியா? இண்டிபெண்டன்ட்டா பண்ற. லக்ஷ்மி நீ என்ன பண்ற? இது மாலையா போட்டுக்கலாமா நம்ம? விக்கலாம் இல்லையா? உங்களுக்கும் அப்புறமா கொஞ்சம் ஒரு சின்ன ஸ்டைபெண்டோ சாலரியோ தரலாம் இல்ல? ஓகே. பரத் நீ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க? கார்பெட்டிங். என்ன சொல்ல? கார்பெட்டிங். ஓகே, நீ அத வந்து பண்ணி காமி. வெரி குட். இது என்ன நீ என்ன போட்டுருக்க நீ சொல்லு? வாத்து. சரி, வாத்து போட்டுருக்க. அத வந்து நம்ம வந்து gift wrapping பேப்பரா அதுக்கு அப்புறம் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே. நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க அருண்? பெயிண்டிங் பண்றீங்களா? பேஸ் பண்றீங்களா? சரி, ஓகே. Let me introduce you to another group of specially challenged young adults turning out fantastic art and craft work. Meet Bharat, Mastan, Shreya and Deepthi, all working on hand embroidery. Back here, the thing that Rasa is very proud to be doing is not just training these children in kind of a vocation which is normally done for challenged people like chalk making or candle making, which is a routine kind of job. What Rasa specializes in is to make them experts in arts and crafts, making accessories, making gift articles which can be actually sold in the regular market and make them absolutely integrated into society in a manner larger than we can ever think. But what I would like to show you now is the space where we want to extend this and make a kind of a temporary structure where they'll have more space for more children, or rather young adults with challenges, to get integrated into this training program. I'll take you through that. This is the open space in front of our small room that we have where we are already working, and the space is right from this corner. The space that we are planning to extend this is right from this corner till that corner, and we will have a covered area where we can have more children, let's say about 15 more. We are looking at about 20 young adults immediately, in the very near future, to get into this particularized training program. And this should have come up actually by this time. The hope was to get this done by Children's Day, which is 14th November. but it got postponed due to the rains. And we hope to complete this infrastructure section, that is creating this miniature kind of shared workspace by World Disability Day, which is the 3rd of December. That's our hope. The support from United Way is twofold. One is for the infrastructure, setting up the space, the shed, the space itself where the 20 young adults will be working from, and 50% for the material that we will be buying, the beads, the all the arts and crafts material, papers, paints, blocks, screens, all the material that is required, jute bags, jute rolls, all the material that is required to make them start their experiences and create some amount of products. Thereafter, we hope to generate funds for them in continuation of the work that they begin with this support. And we are again wanting to express here our grateful thanks to the United Way for supporting this very, very unique enterprise of making those with special challenges become such a beautiful contributive part of society, and which we value deep down from our hearts. Thank you so much.